All right, back at it again today. Let me see what I can do. Oh shit. Oh, the fucking bolt. Is it really? Because I forgot one? Oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Oh, fuck, I forgot two. EA Sports. In again. Honestly. Oh, I forgot another one. Oh my gosh. It's not bad. Hopefully we don't find anything on the inside over here. Oh, I guess it'll be a good time to. Huh? I'm not hearing no play. No play, and the cylinders look good. They said it had I guess it's a spent shaft because of the wood drift key. But I guess it didn't do no damage. I still gotta check out the head, I guess. Bent vet? No, I mean, it was still halfway run, wouldn't it? Got everything off, the front oil, the back. These bearings don't look too bad. So I mean, was it really just this little key that was holding them back? I don't know how they lost it either. That's like, I don't know. I might run into something later when I try turning it over and realizing I did all this for no reason, but let's go see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the crank. Shit, not bad. That shit looks kind of pristine. I don't know about that right there, though. These ain't horrible. Yeah, every fucking piston is not bad either. Alright, now I want to say I could do the lift test and probably take it in.